This accountant worked 60-hour weeks for 10 years without a single raise. So when she quit, she took 47 of the company's 50 clients with her, and the business went bankrupt in 30 days. Subscribe for daily nuclear revenge stories. This story from Reddit's prorevenge is legendary. Jennifer Chen posted about destroying her boss who exploited her for a decade. Jennifer writes, "I started at Henderson Accounting in 2011, fresh out of college. $35,000 salary. My boss, Tom Henderson, promised raises after my first year. That was 10 years ago. 10 years. Same salary, but it gets worse. Tom would say things like, 'Jennifer, you're lucky to have a job. Most firms wouldn't hire someone with your accent.'" Jennifer was born in Ohio. Her accent was perfect English. She handled 47 of their 50 clients alone. Tom handled 3. He made $400,000 a year. She made $35,000. Every year she asked for a raise. Every year Tom said, "Maybe next year if you work harder." Jennifer documented everything. She brought in $2.3 million in revenue annually. Tom brought in $180,000. She worked 60-hour weeks. Tom golfed every Friday. But here's the thing. Jennifer wasn't just doing accounting. She was these clients' therapist, advisor, and friend. She knew their kids' names, their business dreams, their fears. Tom didn't even know their last names. Last month, Jennifer asked for a raise to $50,000, still half the market rate. Tom laughed. "Jennifer, you're replaceable. Any college kid could do your job. Be grateful you're not unemployed." That's when Jennifer decided to go nuclear. First, Jennifer registered Chen Accounting Services LLC. Then she called her friend Mike, a labor attorney. "Is my non-compete enforceable?" Mike laughed. "Tom never had you sign one." "I checked. You're free to take clients." Jennifer spent the next 2 weeks quietly preparing, rented an office space, set up her systems, created client packages, printed business cards. Then came Friday, April 1st. Tom thought her resignation was an April Fool's joke. "I'm serious, Tom. Today's my last day." Tom shrugged. "Fine. Good luck finding another job. I'll make sure everyone knows you're difficult to work with." Jennifer smiled. "Actually, I'm starting my own firm." Tom exploded. "You can't do that. Our clients are my clients." "Actually, Tom, I checked. There's no non-compete, no client ownership clause. They're free to choose their accountant." Tom went red. "They'll never leave. I've had some clients for 20 years. We'll see about that." Jennifer walked to her desk and sent one email to all 47 of her clients. "After 10 years, I'm leaving Henderson Accounting to start my own firm. I wanted to thank you for your trust. If you need accounting services, Tom will assist you. Best, Jennifer." Her phone exploded within minutes. Client number 1, "Jennifer, where are you going?" "We're coming with you." Client number 2, "Send me your new address." Tom doesn't even know my company name. Client number 3, "Finally, we only stayed because of you." By lunch, 30 clients had confirmed they were switching. Tom ran out of his office. "What did you tell them?" "Nothing. I said you'd help them." "They're all calling to cancel." Jennifer pulled out a printed email from 2019 where Tom wrote, "Clients can leave anytime. We don't own them." Your own words, Tom. By end of day, 41 clients had switched to Jennifer. Tom was begging, "Please, Jennifer, let's talk about that raise. $50,000. Yes. Even $60,000. Tom, I already printed my business cards." Monday morning, 6 more clients switched. That's 47 out of 50. Tom's 3 remaining clients, his brother, his golf buddy, and his dentist. But Jennifer wasn't done with her revenge. She called the IRS hotline. "I'd like to report some questionable deductions my former employer has been taking." See, Tom had been writing off his boat, his golf membership, and his mistress's apartment as business expenses. Jennifer had copies of everything. She also called the State Labor Board. "I'd like to report wage theft. I was misclassified as exempt while doing non-exempt work. 10 years of unpaid overtime at time and a half? That's $200,000 Tom owed her." Within 2 weeks, Henderson. Accounting had 3 clients. Tom couldn't pay rent. The IRS opened an audit. The labor board started investigating. Tom called Jennifer crying. "You've destroyed my life. I have a family." Jennifer, "I had a family too. They ate ramen for 10 years while you bought a new Mercedes every year. I'll sue you for stealing clients." "With what money?" "Also, my lawyer would love to discuss that discrimination based on my accent." "Oh?" Tom hung up. 3 months later, Henderson Accounting closed. Tom had to sell his house, his boat, and both Mercedes to pay the IRS. The labor board ordered him to pay Jennifer $238,000 in back wages. Jennifer's new firm? She's making $400,000 a year with less work because she hired 2 assistants. Her 47 clients? They each referred others. She now has 150 clients. Tom? He applied to work at H&R Block. They Googled him, saw the labor board judgment, and said no. Last Jennifer heard, he's doing Uber Eats deliveries in the Mercedes he couldn't afford to sell. Jennifer posted an update. "It's been a year now. My firm made $1.2 million in revenue. I hired 3 of Tom's other underpaid employees. Tom sent me a LinkedIn message last week asking if I was hiring. I responded, 'Maybe next year if you work harder.' He blocked me. The best part? His ex-wife hired me for her divorce proceedings. Turns out that mistress's apartment the IRS found, his wife didn't know. She's getting everything in the divorce. Karma doesn't just knock, sometimes it kicks the door down. 10 years without a raise, and he called her replaceable. Never undervalue your key employees. Have you ever been denied a raise you deserved? Share below. Comment, nuclear revenge. If Tom got what he deserved. Smash subscribe for more workplace justice. Tomorrow. Store refuses poor customer. She buys the entire mall. Remember, your replaceable employee might be your only asset.